Hello friends, welcome my channel Cooking with Nadeem. So once again I'm here with new recipe. Today I'm gonna show you different kind of burger sauces and then western flavor and then other sauces also. It's really very easy to make at home. When you do your any fast food or any kind of western food, you can use these sauces. It's really very easy to make at home with simple ingredient. So let's come, I show you what ingredient I will be used for this sauces, because today I'm gonna show you how to make the different kind of burger sauces. Okay, so we will start. Guys, here I will do, first of all I will do the chipotle sauce. Chipotle sauce is actually very famous in western cuisine. For this sauce we can use in the burgers, sandwiches, or different kind of cooking also, but this sauce is for special burgers and sandwiches. It's really very special for western cuisine. So I will show you the ingredient. First of all I will put the mayonnaise. I got the mayonnaise. I use the mayonnaise is the Lady Choice mayonnaise. The brand is Lady Choice. So now I have to put the mayonnaise in the bowl. I'll be use the mayonnaise is 240 gram. Yes, 240 gram mayonnaise. Then I will be use the honey, 1 tablespoon of honey. You can see the 1 tablespoon of honey. Lemon juice. Here I got the lemon juice. I'll be use the 1 tablespoon. And then I'll be use the vinegar. Here I got the vinegar. I'll be use 2 teaspoon. And here I will be use for this sauce Tabasco sauce. For this recipe I'll be use the Tabasco sauce. Tabasco sauce, here I'll be use the 3 tablespoon. One, two, and 3. 3 tablespoon is about 9 gram. So I'll be use the 9 gram Tabasco sauce. Now here I'll be use the fresh yogurt. I'll be use the 2 tablespoon. And sugar I'll be use here the sugar also. Sugar I'll be use 1 tablespoon. And here guys, I will be use the half teaspoon of paprika powder. I put the half teaspoon paprika powder. And I will be use the cumin powder also, 1 teaspoon. And here guys, I will be use the 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. So now friends, I will be use the mixed herb. Mixed herb is very nice flavor for the sauces. Really, it's very good for every sauce. So now I'll be use the mixed herb. 1 teaspoon of mixed herb. And here I will be use the coriander powder. Coriander powder I will be use the half teaspoon. Now just only mix it well, and then just our sauce will be ready. So now guys, here you can see our chipotle sauce is ready. So now I'll be start the next one. So now guys, I'll be make the next one. Burger sauce is also really very easy and very nice one, very good for all the burgers and sandwiches. So this one is also you can use for the regular sandwiches and burger for your house one. So here I use the mayonnaise. I will be use the 200 gram mayonnaise. (200 gram mayonnaise). And tomato sauce, I'll be use the 100 gram. 100 gram tomato sauce. I'm using the Kimball brand. You can use anyone. Okay, 100 gram I'm using the tomato sauce. And then here I got the premix. I mixed the spices already. I will be use these spices inside. Here I got garlic powder 2 gram, onion powder 2 gram, sugar 4 gram, and here I got the sweet paprika. I'll be used the 2 gram. I'll be this premix I will be used for this side. I'll be use the 4 gram of black pepper, and then 4 gram of salt also for this recipe. I will be give the ratio everything in the description box. You can check there. So premix put there already. Here I'll be use the lemon juice. Lemon juice I will be used for this recipe is about 10 gram, 9 to 10 gram. We use the lemon juice 10 gram, and then just mix it well. This sauce is also will be ready. So now guys, I'll be use here a very special thing is yellow mustard. With yellow mustard, its flavor will be very nice. So now I'll be use the yellow mustard 50 gram. 50 gram. So now just only mix it well. Our sauce is ready. Here guys, you can see it's really very good color, good looking, and then it's very nice smell, fragrance, very good flavor. Really, you must try at home for your children. For your children, you can make the sandwiches and burgers. You can use this sauce for on the base of the sandwiches or everything for the children's. So now guys, you can see our burger sauce is ready. So this one is also you can use for burgers. It's really very easy and very yummy. You can make at home. So now we will do the next one. Let's do the next one. So now guys, let's do the next one. For the next one, I'll be use the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise I will be use the 200 gram. Mayonnaise. And tomato sauce I have to use 50 gram. 50 gram of tomato paste. Tomato sauce I will be use the tomato sauce 50 gram. And then I have to use the chili sauce also the same 50 gram. Chili sauce I will be use this one. You can see the Kimball brand. It's really very nice flavor and very good. Flavor wise I check already. It's really very good. So I'll be use the chili sauce is also 50 gram. So now guys, I'll be use the lime juice. 1 tablespoon is about 5 gram. I use the lime juice. And then here I got the orange juice, fresh orange juice. I'll be use the fresh orange juice in this recipe. Is about 10 gram. And here I got the premix. I mix already. I can put all the ratio in the description box. You can see there. So salt I use the 3 gram. Black pepper also 3 gram. 3 gram I use the mustard powder. I used here. So you can take the mustard seeds, just only blend it. You can get the mustard powder. You can mix it like this. So now guys, everything is mixed already in this sauce. Now we have to just mix it well, and then our sauce is ready. So now guys, you can see our burger sauce with orange flavor is ready. Really, it's very easy and very yummy to make at home. So guys, let's do the next one. It's really very easy also. This sauce is a cheese sauce. It's also very good for burgers, for really very easy to make at home. So let's start. For this sauce I'll be use the butter. So butter I'll be take here is about 20 gram of butter. And this one is actually need to cook. And then here I'll be use the flour. Here I got 15 gram. I'll be use the 15 gram flour. Here I got the black pepper. Salt also 3 gram. 3 gram black pepper, 3 gram salt I'll be used for this recipe. So guys, here I'll be use the evaporated milk for this recipe. Evaporated milk is about, I'll be use the 200 ml evaporated milk. And then I'll be use here the cheddar cheese for this this recipe. It's really very creamy flavor and very nice texture wise. And then okay, let's start. I will show you how to do this one. So this one we have to melt it first on the stove. So now guys, here we have to melt it the butter first. Our butter, you can see the butter is melt ready. So now I have to put the flour inside. I have to put the flour. So flour, you can see here I got the flour. I put the flour also, all purpose flour. Just mix it well. You have here guys, you can see it's really mixed already, very smooth. You can see it's really very nice. So now we have to put the evaporated milk inside this mixture. So now guys, we have to cook this all the sauce, because this one I put the evaporated milk, and then now have to cook. After that we have to put the spices. Here I got the black pepper and salt, I put already inside. Just mix it well. This flavor is actually really very nice for the burgers, for the salad dressings. It's really very easy to make at home with cheesy flavor. So now guys, you can see our texture is really very nice. So now I have to put the cheese. I putting with the low flame, so because like that cannot stick on the bottom. All the batter will be very nice. So now guys, we have to put the cheese. Put the half first. Just mix it well with the cooking. Just only mix it well. You please just stir the continually, because like that cannot stick on the bottom. Is really very nice and smooth flavor. So now guys, we have to put the rest of all the cheese. Just mix it well, everything, and then your sauce will be ready. So guys, here you can see our cheese sauce is ready. It's really very nice flavor. You can see the thickness. It's very easy to make at home and very good flavor, very yummy. So now guys, today I show you different kind of burger sauces. You can see last time I promised with you I will show you my next video this kind of dressing. So maybe next week I will show you, on my next video I will show you the Thousand Island sauce also, how to make the Thousand Island sauce. So really it's very easy to make at home. So guys, today I show you the different different type of four flavor sauces, the salad dressing, the burger sauces. Is really very easy to make at home. So please encourage me, subscribe my channel, comments, like also, so then like that you can get my new videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.